How smart farms are revolutionizing our dinner plates. I'm Dr. Mulu AG, lead scientist with over 25 years experience in pharmaceutical, biotech, and agricultural and food sectors including microbiome. As CEO of HealthMed and FarmBizz Precision Analytics, I apply genomics, analytics, and AI to address critical issues in health, agriculture, and nutrition, including microbiome. Today, let's explore how smart farms are revolutionizing food production by combining advanced technologies like IoT, artificial intelligence, drones, and data analytics to make farming more efficient, sustainable, and scalable. Imagine farms where sensors monitor soil moisture, drones oversee crop health, and AI predicts the best time to harvest, all working together to increase yields while reducing environmental impact. This transformation comes at a crucial time, with the global population expected to hit 10 billion by 2050. The pressure to produce more food sustainably is immense. Smart farms offer practical solutions, not just by boosting productivity, but also by conserving resources and reducing waste. For instance, precision agriculture uses GPS-guided machinery and data analytics to tailor farming techniques to specific field conditions, optimizing resource usage and crop health. Meanwhile, vertical farming stacks crops in controlled environments, often in urban areas, using LED lights and hydroponics to save water and space. The benefits are clear. These technologies empower farmers, big and small, with insights that improve decision-making, enabling them to produce more with less. This democratization of data can level the playing field, especially for small-scale farmers looking to compete. However, adopting smart farming isn't without challenges. High setup costs, data privacy issues, and the digital divide make it harder for some farmers to get started. There's also the risk of over-reliance on technology, which could lead to vulnerabilities like cyber attacks on critical food systems. Take drones, for example. Equipped with multispectral imaging cameras, they can detect pest infestations early, saving crops and reducing pesticide use. Or soil sensors that provide real-time data, allowing farmers to water and fertilize only where and when it's needed, cutting down on waste. These are game-changing innovations, but they require significant investment and training. Despite these hurdles, the integration of smart technologies like IoT and data analytics into agriculture is already reshaping our dinner plates. These tools enhance traceability and transparency in food production, ensuring better food quality and safety. They also support sustainable practices, helping farmers adapt to climate change while protecting ecosystems. Precision agriculture is another key piece of the puzzle. By tailoring farming practices to specific conditions, it ensures every plant gets just the right amount of care, boosting yields and quality. Farmers using these techniques can grow more food using fewer resources, a win-win for the planet and our plates. In the end, smart farms are more than just a technological upgrade, they're a necessity. As the world grapples with food security and environmental challenges, these innovations represent a path forward. By embracing smart farming, we're not only feeding the future, but also ensuring that agriculture remains a sustainable and thriving industry for generations to come.